Sioux Falls Mayor Paul Tenhaken announced the suspension of the city's public pools for the summer of 2020. Tenhaken believes this is the safest option in light of the pandemic.
Based on the continued presence of COVID-19 in our market, the high cost of operating those pools in this environment, as well as, quite honestly, the very, I'll call them burdensome, but they're pretty strict requirements that the CDC has in place, the guidelines that the CDC has in place to operate pools in this environment. City-owned pools will be suspending operations for this summer.
Tenhaken has a plan for other family-friendly recreational opportunities this summer. He plans to bring this idea to City Council on June 3rd.
Pending approval by the City Council, however, we will be changing up some programming to allow some free access to places like the Great Plains Zoo, the Washington Pavilion, to qualifying families in June, July, and August of this year.
Sioux Falls residents must present documents like a school lunch letter, a SNAP benefits card, or a Medicaid card with a proof of address to qualify. The City of Sioux Falls is also working with local sports associations to safely move forward with summer activities. Picnic shelters, public restrooms, and other wedding venues will all begin to reopen in the next 2 weeks. The total number of COVID-19 cases in South Dakota is now above 4,000 at 4,027. About a quarter of those cases are people who actively have the disease. That number is 1,199. State Department of Health officials report 40 new COVID-19 cases and 4 new hospitalizations. There are now 77 people in the hospital. 44 people have died from the virus. 2,784 people have fully recovered. For South Dakota Public Broadcasting, I'm Jackie Hendry.